and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Karen. I'm here today with the lovely Leo.
Hello.
And we have just finished our live and realised that we didn't tell you about the Tonic merch.
Indeed.
We found it.
It was all to one side out of eyeline and therefore we didn't see it and Cam didn't put it on the card, so it's actually Cam's fault. Hashtag blame Cam. So on the UK website?
Yes.
From Monday?
Friday. No, yeah, midnight tonight.
Oh.
Friday going to Saturday.
So 12 a.m. Saturday.
Friday night.
Yeah, that. A lot of our merch will be available to buy directly from the Tonic website. So we have, these are covered in glitter. I can only imagine they've been in marketing being photographed. So yours will have a little less sparkle. We have our lovely Tonic Studios mug. So we have the logo on the front and it says inspiring creativity through crafting on here, and then our website address, but the American one, so that's cool. And then it is purple on the inside as well. Beautiful mug. It's very hefty as well.
Yeah, I do have one at home actually.
Quite a chunky
I do
mug.
still use that. Do you not?
No, so I'm just going to box
yours.
it up and that's fine. So that is going on the website. We also have our lovely Tonic orange notebooks with our lovely little deboss logo on the front. Orange pages on the side. You've got a little ribbon for your space, and then it is just plain pages on the inside for you. Now we use these upstairs for cataloguing various things across the craft room. Keep one handy.
It's very good.
Colour palettes that you see, you know, keep a note of them. Measurements for boxes that you're putting together. It's always handy to have a notepad in the craft room for when you have an idea. Jot it down. Yeah. So they are going onto the website. Oh my goodness, look at this.
There's so much glitter.
So much glitter. So we have two totes.
Yes.
Okay. We're just going to give these a quick little
de-glitter.
Oh no. I know I've glittered myself. So we have, hopefully you can see, I'm just going to hold this here.
Crafting is cheaper than therapy.
And these are very sturdy, very heavyweight canvas totes. They are printed on both sides. Lovely long handle. We use these for
they do go
many
over
things.
your shoulder. That's what I like about this. Can you not see me? Am I behind the thingy?
Yeah,
they do go over your shoulder. So that's nice with the Tonic totes.
But they're not like your, so you know you can get cotton bags from Lidl and Aldi. They're not like those.
Absolutely not.
They're the heavy ones.
Yeah, they're the heavy
So that's that one. Crafting is cheaper than therapy. And you have?
I have.
Crafting, the art of looking for something you had 2 seconds ago. I've lost a die. Anyone? Anyone?
I was going to say this is made for Alison.
It is. It is. And again, printed on both sides. Yeah. Super heavy weight.
They are very, very good quality, and we use them a lot.
Yes. For taking things home. And then finally, just moving swiftly on, we have probably one of the most coveted items.
I think so.
Our lovely Tonic aprons. If orange is your colour, this is perfect for you. If it's not, you please don't make me put it on. There we go. Karen will model this because orange is not.
So you do have
colour.
Adjustments here, so you can lift that up.
I feel like we're having like an airline hostess.
I know.
And you blow into this. You've got a light here.
It's got a lovely long tie. Even goes over my chubby bod.
Great for messy play days. So if you are grabbing out all of your messy stuff. I mean, she's behind all of this. So would you like to try that again so people can actually see? There we go. Yeah, I love that you've still got your hair tucked into the neck strap and
everything. You can see the neck strap there,
yes, you can.
See?
You really
There's an
can.
idea. It's an idea.
It's got a pocket in the front.
Has got nice pocket in the front there.
Quiet things.
Yes.
Great place to, yes, if you find things that you need to acquire, die sets, stamp sets, anything like that, pockets are very handy for that. Again, it is a very heavy weight cotton, very heavy duty, perfect for if you are having a messy play in the craft room and you need to protect your popsy. Or other clothes are available from your shimmer powder and your sparkle spray and all of the other messy things.
But it's got a lovely logo on it as well.
It has. So these are all available in just a couple of hours, basically, on our website. So if you have missed out on any of the times that we have had these merch things available on various event weeks, now is the time to go and grab them. You can add as many as you want to your basket, I'm pretty sure. And
Yeah.
all of those deals still apply. So, you know, your TCK code, your 10 or 50 that's currently up, everything like that.
All available for you on our UK website.
Exactly. Go and grab them.
Now.
Happy crafting!
Happy crafting.